Hello, and welcome. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Today it is quite simple to become a professional user of Excel. But how? If you want to use Excel as a professional one, then you are in the right place. And it is time to meet with MyExcelWorld. What is MyExcelWorld? This is a Microsoft Excel add-in. Once it installed, it'll appear on your Excel menu tab. And then you'll be able to use this powerful tool. How looks its interface? It has a user-friendly interface with screen tips. What is Excel add-in and benefits of using it? This tool is the collection of automated operations of most wanted features and user-defined functions, custom functions, that are not available in a standard pack of Microsoft Excel. This Excel add-in will let you optimize your business and save your time. Why just MyExcelWorld Excel add-in? This tool is faster than the popular similar tools, it has a lot of powerful features, it supports big ranges in over 10 languages. Instantly switch between these 10 languages whenever you want, without restarting Excel. English, Azerbaijani, Turkish, Russian, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, French and German, Deutsch. What are the features? This tool will save your time when working with cells, formulas, texts, sheets, workbooks. It contains over 20 most wanted UDFs and web-based functions such as GoogleTranslate and also many upcoming new features. General working scope of the most powerful features as following. Works instantly in big ranges. For example, over 1 million cells. Works in protected sheets. Works in filtered ranges and applies visible cells only. Works in merged cells. Works on non-continuous ranges, multi-ranges. Undo instantly and etc. Who may need this tool? Every Excel user, from non-professional to professional ones. Future updates. However, users feel free to send their suggestions and wishes to the author via web message so that the next versions are keeping updated based on all of these feedbacks. Installation and licensing. It is quite as simple. Download and register online.